Is your touchpad driver not working on Windows? Then follow the different methods and try these fixes that we have for you in this video. First up, we recommend updating the driver via Device Manager utility. Do it by opening Device Manager from your computer, expand the Human Interface Devices section, locate your touchpad driver, then right-click and select Update Driver from the context menu. Now you have to click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for the utility to scan the system for updated driver versions. You also have to follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the update process and check if the issue is resolved. But if the error persists, instead of clicking the first option, choose Browse My Computer for Drivers, then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then choose the I2C HID device driver. Now you have to follow the on-screen instructions again to proceed, and then restart your computer once done. Lastly, use the System Restore option. To do it, search for System Restore, click on the search results, select Create a Restore Point, click on the System Restore option, then click Next, and you should now see a list of all the available restore points created on the system. Now you have to choose one, and once the system has reverted into a previous working state, the touchpad driver issue should now be resolved. And those are the following fixes if your touchpad driver is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.